ASP.NET 4.5 includes some new features in the system.web.optimization namespace that make your web applications faster and more efficient. Web optimization makes pages load faster by bundling all of the page's CSS and JavaScript files into a single file. This allows your user's web browser to load all of a page's styles and scripts with a single request, instead of having to send a separate request for each file. As well as bundling the files together, web optimization also minifies the files by removing all line breaks and white space, making the files slightly smaller. To begin this lesson, open the Smart Method Store project from your sample files folder. And open global.asax if it isn't open already. Now look at the code in the application start event handler. bundleconfig.registerBundles refers to some code in a file called bundleconfig.cs that is in the app_start folder. Note that the app_start folder is not a special ASP.NET folder like the app_data folder. Items in the app_start folder are not treated specially in any way. Open bundleconfig now from the app_start folder, and here you can see the code that defines the bundles that are used by the default project. This code creates 3 script bundle objects named WebForms.js, MSAjax.js, and Modernizer, each bundling together several JavaScript files. Several JavaScript libraries are included with the default WebForms application project. These include jQuery, Modernizer, WebForms, and MSAjax. jQuery provides many useful extended features and enables compatibility with all major web browsers. Modernizer enables extended support for older web browsers that do not support modern features. WebForms and MSAjax are used by the validation controls in ASP.NET 4.5 to enable the new unobtrusive validation features. jQuery is also needed for this. The bundles that you can see in bundleconfig.cs bundle together the WebForms, MSAjax, and Modernizer libraries. Now that these bundles have been defined, they can be accessed by their names in the Bundles folder. For example, you could access the WebForms.js bundle by navigating to localhost/bundles/webforms.js. Because this code is being called through global.asax, it is slightly obfuscated that the bundles are being added by using the system.web.optimization.bundletable.bundles.add method. As well as using C# code, bundles can be registered using an XML file called bundle.config. Open bundle.config now, and in this file you can see 2 bundles that contain several CSS files. Bundle.config is probably a better way to set up bundles, as it allows you to modify bundle settings without recompiling the entire project. I'd only recommend the approach that is used in bundleconfig.cs if you needed to use additional C# code to control the configuration of your bundles. The bundling in the default project is done in a very complicated way in order to support advanced Ajax features. You can bundle CSS and JavaScript files much more easily without needing to use the bundle table class or the bundle.config file. To bundle all CSS files in a styles folder, for example, you could simply use the following HTML tag: link href equals /styles/CSS. Specifying /styles/CSS automatically bundles all CSS files from the styles folder into a single file. Next, open site.master in source view. At the top of the page, you can see the code scripts.render/bundles/modernizer. You can also see webopt bundle reference path equals /content/CSS. Scripts.render bundles modernizer links this page to the modernizer bundle that you saw in the bundleconfig.cs file. The webopt bundle reference control bundles all of the CSS files from the content folder into a single file and links them to this page. To make things even more confusing, some bundles are also being added using a script manager control a little further down the page. The bundles that are included using the script manager control are specifically intended to enable AJAX functionality. AJAX is covered in the Expert Skills course in this series. However, you'll notice that the names of the bundles do not match those that you saw in the bundleconfig.cs file. The reason for this is that Microsoft have hard-coded these names into the script manager control. For example, MS Ajax bundle will be recognized by the script manager control and converted to refer to the MS Ajax JS bundle. This is extremely confusing and will hopefully be improved in future updates. As you've seen, the default project uses 3 different techniques to define bundles and another 3 techniques to include them on a page. This is very confusing even to an expert, and underlines just how new these features are. In future versions of ASP.NET, these features will probably be included much more gracefully. Close Visual Studio now, and you've now completed Lesson 12.3. Understand Web Optimization.